Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in today's video, I'm really excited because we have an open invite and it's called the Fall Fireplace Challenge 22. Now the host of this collab is Creatively Miss Me, that's Stephanie, and then the co-host is Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Okay, everyone, so I don't have a fireplace, as you can see here, but I do have this display window, and I wasn't going to be out of the challenge. So let's jump right into it, guys. Now, I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box, along with their links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their fireplace mantle. So now this display window here is one of the best things in the home because it has a wide shelf and it's also the first thing you see as you approach the house. Now make sure and click that like button and comment below because I would love to hear from you. So I find myself this fall gravitating to that burnt orange color. It is absolutely gorgeous, and so that's what I'm going to be decorating with today, guys. Now I lit some candles and I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I finish decorating this display window. Now this challenge did require you to use a leaf or leaves when decorating. And I'm decorating right now with this pumpkin bowl, and I stuck the leaves in there with the faux leather leaves that the Dollar Tree is carrying. Absolutely gorgeous. Now you see that centerpiece there? Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. I love how that turned out. That was part of a challenge, and I'm going to see if I can go ahead and link that video of how I made that DIY. think this turned out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me and Marilyn from Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle for hosting this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.